Ask, and it will be given to you. Seek, and you will find. Knock, and it will be opened to you. Matthew 7:7. Today holds the promise of greatness. Anticipate something wonderful and unexpected to unfold in your life. I decree healing for bodies, restoration for relationships, and answers to prayers. Watch this video through to the end if you believe in God. Comment Jesus if you seek blessings. Get ready for breakthroughs, promotions, and restoration, even if you've faced long-standing challenges. Today could mark a sudden turnaround. God desires His glory to shine through you, for you to stand out in the crowd, and for His goodness to be evident to all. Keep standing, believing, hoping, and declaring His word. For blessings and favor are on the horizon. Type 11:1 if you affirm this. God is poised to do something extraordinary in your life this month. Regardless of what you've been praying for or what has brought you to tears, know that God has heard you. His angels are at work, and your miracles are imminent. Your health will improve, you'll confound the doctors, and opportunities will unfold. Act and speak as if your breakthroughs are imminent, for God's plans for you are far from over. Your latter days will surpass your former, and where you are now is just the beginning. Prepare for elevation to new dimensions. Don't be disheartened by present circumstances. Your journey is on an upward trajectory. Your greatness on this level is but a glimpse of what's to come. Keep moving forward, for it will only get better. Though you may start with little, you will end with much. Job 8:7. God is declaring to you today, I am about to promote you. I am opening doors and providing opportunities beyond your imagination. I will restore what was taken from you. Your days of lack are over. Any obstacles in your path are being removed. Trust in me, for those who seek to hold you down will only face their own downfall. Please donate us $100 to support us. The plans the enemy set against you will backfire, causing them to stumble upon themselves. God is orchestrating events in ways beyond your sight. What may appear as opposition is actually the hand of God positioning you for elevation. Type 222 if you resonate with this. Psalm 46:1 advises, Be still and know that I am God. Today, God reminds you not to fret over circumstances beyond your control. Despite challenges, trust that God shields you from harm. Psalms 121:7. You've endured hardships financially, spiritually, and emotionally, but God assures you of His presence. He won't allow any weapon formed against you to succeed. Type 555 to acknowledge this promise. God is about to unveil remarkable blessings He's been preparing behind the scenes. The struggles you faced will soon be overshadowed by abundant blessings. Expect breakthroughs today, sudden opportunities, good news, and divine favor. Type 999 to affirm this. God reassures you of His presence as you embark on your day. Your efforts will be blessed, and doors of opportunity will swing open. Restoration and abundance await you. Type 707 to acknowledge God's promise of sudden blessings. Prepare for a new chapter as God opens a fresh door for you. Your current challenges are nearing resolution, paving the way for a surge of opportunities and blessings. Trust in God's timing. Type 444 to affirm your belief in the upcoming turnaround. Today heralds a day of miracles and opportunities. Despite any obstacles, remain optimistic, for God's favor surrounds you. Embrace the day with joy and confidence, knowing that the best is yet to come. Today, God is assuring you that if you've been seeking reassurance through prayer, this is it. You're going to be all right. Blessings, breakthroughs, healing, and financial increase are on the horizon. All you need to do is trust God. He's proud of your resilience amidst challenges. Embrace this day with confidence, for you are entering moments of destiny. What's coming your way will surpass your expectations. The trials of dysfunction, lack, and sickness are coming to an end. Prepare for a turnaround. It's your time to reign. The obstacles that held you back are crumbling, and opportunities are about to present themselves. You will triumph over sickness, depression, and struggle. Healing, promotions, breakthroughs, and blessings are making their way towards you. Stay encouraged, even in tough times. Trust that everything is leading you to a blessing. Nothing is a mistake. God is with you. Type 666 to affirm this. God has a plan for your life that transcends your current challenges. He invites you to surrender to His guidance. When you trust Him with your future, He'll lead you to places you couldn't reach on your own. God will align circumstances in your favor, exceeding your expectations. Keep the faith, declare His work in your life, and anticipate His blessings. Remember, you're just one step away from every blessing He has in store for you. God believes in you. You can overcome any challenge with His strength. You have greatness within you, and though the journey may not be easy, your destiny beckons. Don't let doubts or circumstances deter you. Greater levels, healing, freedom, abundance, and fulfilling relationships await. Pray, have faith, and persevere. God will see you through. Enjoy life despite stress. As a Christian, you can find joy and fulfillment within God's love. Don't give up. Persistence is key. God uses tough times to test your resolve. Keep pressing forward, for quitting is never an option. If you're facing tough times right now, then this verse is for you. That is why we never give up. Though our bodies are dying, our spirits are being renewed every day. For our present troubles are small and won't last very long, yet they produce for us a glory that vastly outweighs them and will last forever. 2 Corinthians 4:16-17 NLT. God is more concerned with who you're becoming than what's happening to you. He allows trials to shape your character and faithfulness. Will you persevere even when life is difficult? Let us not become weary in doing good, for at the proper time we will reap a harvest if we do not give up. Galatians 6:9. Trust God with your destiny. He has divine plans beyond your imagination. Ephesians 1:4. To make a change, you may need to reach a point of desperation. When you're fed up with your circumstances, turn to Jesus. He offers rest and relief from heavy burdens. Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon you and learn from me, for I am gentle and humble in heart, and you will find rest for your souls. Matthew 11:28-30. Sometimes change only happens when the pain becomes too great or when there's no other option. Remember, a breakdown can lead to a breakthrough. Believe in the possibility of things improving, whether it's healing, abundance, love, or prosperity. Pray for guidance, renounce negative thoughts, and declare God's truth over your life. Choose to focus on positive things and trust in God's promises. With faith and perseverance, you can overcome any challenge.